In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT to build a complete YouTube growth strategy and content plan for a gaming channel. Let's get started. I begin by opening my web browser to ChatGPT and then navigating over to a notepad file where I have prepared a very specific and detailed initial prompt. This prompt essentially tells the AI to act as a professional YouTube growth strategist specifically for my gaming channel, Night Owl Gaming, which focuses on titles like Mobile Legends and Free Fire. I make sure to include my current subscriber count and my 6-month growth goals to give the AI context. After copying and pasting this into the chat, ChatGPT generates a comprehensive roadmap that includes a consistent weekly posting schedule for both long-form videos and shorts, along with 10 targeted video ideas specifically designed to appeal to my Filipino gaming audience. To keep the momentum going and expand my content library even further, I move back over to my notes to copy a second, more specific prompt. This one asks for 30 unique video ideas, complete with high-ranking search keywords and a brief explanation of why each topic will resonate with my viewers. I paste this into the chat interface, and the AI instantly categorizes the ideas into different content types like tier lists, character guides, and funny highlights. This provides me with a massive backlog of content ideas that I can work through over the coming weeks without having to brainstorm from scratch. Next, I decide to drill down into a specific video project focused on the 5 most overpowered heroes in the current game meta. I go back to my notepad to copy a prompt that asks for 10 distinct title options, utilizing various click-triggering psychological angles like rankings, curiosity gap questions, and urgent patch updates. Once I paste this into the bar, ChatGPT suggests several high-performance titles and even explains the logic behind why each one is likely to increase my click-through rate. It even highlights which specific title option it thinks will perform the best based on current YouTube trends. To further streamline my production and save myself hours of scriptwriting, I head back to my prompts to grab a template for a video script. This prompt is meticulously designed to produce a high-retention hook, a punchy introduction, and detailed, structured segments for each of the 5 heroes, concluding with a strong call to action. I paste the request, and as I scroll through the generated results, you can see that it has even included visual cues, editing instructions, and timestamps to make the entire recording and editing process much easier for my team to follow. Metadata is just as important as the content itself for discovery, so my next step is to generate optimized tags for YouTube's search engine. I copy a prompt from my list that requests 20 tags grouped into specific categories, including broad gaming terms, niche-specific hero keywords, and hyper-local phrases to help me rank specifically in regional searches. I paste the request into the chat, and ChatGPT delivers a clean, comma-separated list that is formatted perfectly so I can copy and paste it directly into the YouTube Studio upload settings. Finally, to ensure I stay relevant in the fast-paced world of short-form content, I copy a prompt for a complete 30-day YouTube Shorts calendar. I ask for a unique concept, a snappy 2-second hook, and specific on-screen text for every single day of the upcoming month to keep the production process simple. After pasting this final prompt, ChatGPT builds out a massive 30-day plan. As I scroll through the finished calendar, you can see a diverse range of shorts, ideas ranging from gameplay clips to quick tips, ensuring I have a consistent presence on the platform to keep my channel growing every single day. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.